The sun rises over a peaceful village, casting golden light on the morning fields. Today is a special day because the villagers are preparing for a festival. They gather around the central square, smiling and chatting. The festival starts in January, which is a time of celebration and joy. Everyone is excited to see the decorations and colorful banners that mark the beginning of the new year. This scene shows the start of the story, set in a quiet village ready for a festival that happens in January. On Monday, the festival officially begins with a grand parade. The villagers dress in traditional clothes and carry flags. They are marching in a line, waving to the crowds. The parade is the first event of the festival, and it brings everyone together. The crowd watches with wide eyes and cheers loudly as the performers dance and sing. This scene highlights the start of the festival on a specific day, using the preposition on 4 days. On March 5th, the festival reaches its peak. The village square is filled with people and children playing games. There are food stalls and music playing everywhere. Street performers are entertaining the crowd, while families gather for delicious meals. The day is marked by laughter, dancing, and celebration. This scene details a specific date in the festival, using on to indicate the exact day of the event. At 7 o'clock in the morning, the festival mascot arrives. It is a giant wooden figure decorated with colorful ribbons. The mascot is carried on the shoulders of many villagers, creating a lively scene. The crowd cheers as it makes its way through the streets. The mascot's arrival is a highlight of the festival, and it marks the start of the day's activities. This scene uses it to show a specific time of day. At night, the village square transforms into a magical place. Lanterns light up the streets, and fireworks light the sky. People gather to watch the show, enjoying the colorful explosions. The night is filled with music, laughter, and dancing. This scene captures the excitement of the festival at a specific time of day, using it to indicate the evening hours. At 3 o'clock, the main ceremony begins. The village elders light a ceremonial fire, and everyone joins in. The fire represents hope and unity. There are traditional dances and chants, creating a warm and joyful atmosphere. This scene shows the time of the ceremony, using it for a precise hour. In the spring season, the villagers hold a special event to honor the harvest. The festival is a celebration of growth and abundance. Flowers bloom around the square, and the air is filled with the scent of fresh produce. This scene is set in the spring, using in 4 seasons as it describes the natural beauty and purpose of the event. In 2020, the villagers decided to make the festival even bigger. They invited guests from other towns, and the square became packed with people. The event was filled with new traditions and activities. This scene shows the festival in a particular year, using in to refer to the year 2020 and the changes it brought. During the winter, the festival is held in a different style. The villagers use fire to keep warm, and the square is decorated with snowflakes and lights. This scene takes place in winter, using in to refer to the season, and highlights how the festival adapts to the time of year. The villagers celebrate the festival every year, starting in January and ending at night. It is a time of joy, family, and community. The festival comes once a year, bringing people together for fun and tradition. This scene wraps up the story, summarizing the entire event and how the prepositions of time work in real-life situations.